I'm amazed when I find out that Muslims who don't pray. How you not pray? Allah gave you everything. How you not pray? How your children not pray? You a mother and father, your children, you wake them up to go to school. You wake up people to go to job, but you won't wake them up to make fajr. No, you get up. You get up because Allah created you. He gave you the food, He gave you the job, He gave you the money, He gave you the wife, He gave you the children, He gave you everything, and you don't worship Him? I've only created the jinn and men to worship me. Sir Isaac Newton said that I can calculate the movement of the stars, but not of the madness of man. Now you look at human beings, look what they've done. This great creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, look what they have done. They make war, they kill people, all of that.